Hello friends, I am Akanksha Mishra. Welcome all of you here at TNV Academy. Today I am going to speak on ISO 27005 Information Security Risk Management Training course. Let me start with the introduction of Information Security Risk Management. What is Information Security Risk Management? ISO 27005 provides guidelines for the establishment of a systematic approach to information security risk management, which is necessary to identify organizational needs regarding information security requirements and to create an effective information security management system. Moreover, this international standard supports ISO/IEC 27001 concepts and is designed to assist an efficient implementation of information security based on a risk management approach. Now let us know why process safety management training is important for you. ISO 27005 enables you to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to initiate the implementation of an information security risk management process. Therefore, it proves that you are able to identify, assess, analyze, evaluate, and treat various information security risks faced by organizations. Moreover, it enables you to support organizations, prioritize risk, and undertake appropriate actions to reduce and mitigate them. Now, we are going to explain you the benefits of ISO 27005 Information Security Risk Management. Gained the necessary skills to support an effective implementation of an information security risk management process in an organization. Acquired the expertise to responsibly manage an information security risk management process and ensured conformity with legal and regulatory requirements. The ability to manage an information security and risk management team. The ability to support an organization to align their ISMS objectives with ISRM process objectives. Let us explain you that who should attend this training. Information security risk managers, information security team members, individuals responsible for information security, compliance and risk within an organization. Individuals implementing ISO 27001, seeking to comply with ISO 27001 or individuals who are involved in risk management program. IT consultants, IT professionals, information security officers, privacy officers. Now let us understand what is learning objectives. Master the concepts, approaches, methods, and techniques that enable an effective risk management process based on ISO/IEC 27005. Acknowledge the correlation between information security risk management and security controls. Learn how to interpret the requirements of ISO/IEC 27001 in information security risk management. Acquire the competence and the skills to effectively advise organizations on information security risk management best practices. Acquire the knowledge necessary for the implementation, management, and maintenance of an ongoing risk management program. Now let us tell you TNV training approach. This training is based on both theory and best practices used in information security risk management. Lecture sessions are illustrated with examples based on case studies. Practical exercises are based on a case study which includes role-playing and discussions. Practice tests are similar to the certification exam. To join TNV Risk Manager training course on information security risk management, all delegates should have understanding of ISO/IEC 27005 and comprehensive knowledge of risk assessment and information security. The duration of this course is 5 days, that is 40 hours, 8 hours per day, with the following training agenda for each day. Day 1, Introduction to ISO 27005 Concepts and Implementation of a Risk Management Program. Day 2, Risk Identification, Evaluation and Treatment as specified in ISO 27005. Day 3, Information Security Risk Acceptance, Communication, Consultation, Monitoring and Review. Day 4, Risk Assessment Methodologies. Day 5, Certification Exam, Global Recognition. Now let me tell you about the recognition of this course now. This course is globally recognized and acceptable worldwide. Training offered by the TNV Academy is certified by Exemplar Global. Exemplar Global is a globally recognized certification body which offers personal certification and certification of training providers. Every participant who attends the training and qualifies the examination gets a training certificate from TNV Academy with an exemplary global emblem. Any candidate who qualifies the lead auditor course developed by TNV Institute is eligible to be enrolled as lead auditor with any certification body subject to fulfillment of other requirements like educational certificate and working experience. Core requirement is to attain a lead auditor certificate from any training agency duly approved by any recognized agency. Being approved by Exemplar Global, TNV Institute is fulfilling all those requirements. I hope that you have come to know the recognition of this course, which is being offered by TNV. For more information about TNV and various training programs, you can contact us through email or phone. Now, this brings us to the end of this session. I sincerely thank you all for your interest and attention. Thanks and best wishes.